This is a new platform that you can earn free USDT for yourself, invest, and have daily profits with a good percentage for yourself and bag a lot of money for yourself this 2025. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is where I give you free tips and updates on how you can earn in crypto and bag a lot of income, a lot of passive income for yourself in this 2025. So guys, this platform I'm about to introduce to you is a very good platform that you can start making money and earn free USDT for yourself. So quickly, let's click on quantify. Let's click on, so you can see my dashboard firstly. So you see my dashboard, I have today's earning 0 and my total revenue 0.00. So this is going to be a live withdrawal. I'm going to show you how I have my earnings in this platform. So what you just have to do is, once you click on start quantify, my earnings for the day will start quantifying. That means I'm about to get my earnings for today. You can see start quantify, it's have started loading. Start quantification, start queuing up, start executing buy order, start executing sell order. So it's loading and you're going to see my profit for today. So I have 2.3 USDT. This is the profit I have earned for myself today, and this is what I will be withdrawing into my Trust wallet. So join me guys as I show you how you can also earn in this platform. And as I withdraw, you can see it was reflected in my dashboard. I have 2.3 USDT now in my today's earning. So my total revenue 2.3 USDT. So you can earn simple and very easy in this platform. So I'll also be showing on how you can withdraw in this platform, and within 2 minutes you get it in your Trust wallet. So it's going to be you just earn swiftly in this platform without any stress. So all you just have to do is, firstly, we just have to click on withdrawal. Once we click on withdrawal, it takes us to the withdrawal interface. The withdrawal interface is where you'll be imputing your details. You have seen withdrawable 2.3 USDT, and you can use your 20 USDT to withdraw, or TRC 20 USDT. So you can see your withdrawal limit, withdrawal address, security password. So remember, this security password is what you impute while you are withdrawing. You can see withdrawal success, and that's it. It's very simple, and you will get into your Trust wallet. So let me teach you how you can earn. Once you click on recharge, it takes you to this interface. So you can recharge with any USDT of your choice in this platform, and you start earning for yourself. So these are the VIPs in this platform. They have from VIP 1 to VIP 9, and you can choose any VIP of your choice. And once you subscribe to it, you start earning daily profit. Remember, the higher VIP you subscribe to, the higher earnings and profits that you are making for yourself in this platform. So also I will show you on how you can earn free USDT in this platform without stress by building up your team, and you start bagging a lot of money and easy for you to withdraw to in your Trust wallet. All you just have to do is, once you get to this platform, you click on invite friends. Once you click on invite friends, it takes you to this interface. So this interface, you can see send friend invitation, friend completes registration, and get rebate income. So you say, what you just have to do is copy your invitation link and send it to your friends, and once they register with your link and your code, you start getting commissions. You are getting 30% commission once your friends registers with your link, and it's absolutely free, and you'll be earning free USDT for yourself, and you can also withdraw it immediately within 2 minutes. Bye.